Hi everyone, today I'm excited to share one of my latest kitchen inventions from my cozy little caravan. I've made an incredible apple jam that's completely different from anything you have seen before. I used some unique ingredients that might sound surprising, but the results is absolutely stunning. To start, I used organic green forest apples that grow right outside my home. But here's the twist. I used zero refined sugar. Instead, I used a very special sweetener, organic date syrup. I combined 3 cups of chopped apples with about 2 tablespoons of date syrup and half a cup of water. I brought the mixture to a boil, then lowered the heat to let it simmer. You want to cook it until the water evaporates and the apples become perfectly soft and tender. But wait, there is a surprise ingredient coming up. Once the apples were cooked, I added something even more unique. 1 tablespoon of organic wild chia seeds. I let it simmer for just the last few minutes to create an incredible texture. After cooking, I let it cool to room temperature before transferring to a jar. Honestly, this is one of the most unique condiments I've ever created. It's completely healthy, refined, sugar-free, and incredibly delicious. You can enjoy this as a nutritious snack or a diet-friendly jam for breakfast. It's truly a game changer. If you want to use the same high-quality ingredients, I've linked the best organic date syrup and chia seeds in the description and the first pinned comment. Enjoy!